Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating the simple causes, so the real fix is obvious. First, make sure Windows 10 has the latest updates installed because driver compatibility matters. Then power cycle your router and modem, unplug for 30 seconds so cached errors clear. Next, open network settings and confirm your Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and airplane mode is off. Once done, reconnect to the network and note whether disconnects persist. This narrows whether the issue is hardware, system settings, or ISP related. You now address the system-level causes that commonly interrupt Wi-Fi. Open Device Manager and update the wireless adapter driver or roll back if a recent update broke stability. Vendor drivers often work better than generic ones. Next, go to Power Options and set the wireless adapter to maximum performance so Windows won't sleep the device. Then change your network adapter's DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to avoid ISP DNS hiccups. After each change, reconnect and monitor for drops to identify the effective step. You finish by restoring network components and verifying the broader environment. Use Network Reset in Settings, which reinstalls adapters and returns network settings to default, then reboot. After restart, open Command Prompt as admin and run ipconfig/flushtons, followed by ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew to clear stale records. Test the connection and check other devices to see if the issue is router or ISP related. If problems remain, boot safe mode with networking to isolate third-party software. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals driver or VPN conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.